Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So today we will be discuss our new topic, that is discovery of neutron. First of all, we should know the name of the scientist who discovered the neutron. So neutron was discovered by James Chadwick, and the name of experiment was nuclear reaction, in which the nucleus react with another body. It's called, the experiment of this was nuclear reaction. Okay, nuclear reaction. Now move to next, that what happens in the nuclear reaction, the three things that happens in nuclear reaction. Number first, we are having gamma rays, because we don't have a gamma ray, so we will write like this. Just, we are having gamma rays in nuclear reaction. We are having beryllium element, beryllium. We are having beryllium, and third one we are having our resultant. Now we will make a diagram and understand that how discovery of neutron happens. Number third, we are having resultant. Okay, now move to next, that how it's happening. So let's make me a diagram. First of all, what happens here, we were having nuclear reaction. In nuclear reaction we are having three things: gamma rays, beryllium, and the resultant. In gamma rays, what happened, we are having double positive charge. Why we are having double positive charge? Because of helium of nucleus. Because in a helium nucleus, there is a we are having double positive charge. Let me show you how. So like, we are having helium, it's having two proton and two neutron, so it's having double positive charge. So that's why we are making gamma rays with a helium, so that's why it's having double positive charge. After that, what happened in a beryllium, same thing we are having happen, that we are having 9 atomic number and 4 atomic mass. Okay, in beryllium, so it means we are having 4 proton in beryllium and 5 neutron over there. Okay, so 4 and 5 will be 9. Okay, now move to next, that what will be the resultant. In resultant, we will gain a simple thing, that is C6 and 12 carbon. We will receive carbon C12 and 6. But how this process happens, so let understand with equation. Likewise, we are having, yes, now we are having double rays with a helium. Helium have 2 proton and 2 neutron, it's 4. After that, we were having beryllium. Beryllium have 4 proton and 5 neutron, as I told you. Now what we will do, we will add this all. What happens, that we will gain 6 proton, okay, and 7 neutron. But from here, what's happened, in top we were having helium over here, beryllium over here, and then we were gaining C6 and 12, and then 9 and 4. So 6 is at proton, and 12 is the combination of proton and neutron. So here was 6 proton and 6 neutron, it's 12, but it's 6 and 7, so it's 13, where 1 neutron remains. How we know that? We know that thing, how the neutron came out. Now let understand with that. Neutron came out with their properties. In properties, we will understood that where neutron goes, the one neutron moves. So number one property, we are having electric field. In electric field, we are finding charge with the electric field. So first of all, we will find charge over here. Then second, we will find magnetic field mass over here. What happens? Yes, then we'll find magnetic field, mass, and third, we will be finding we are having ionization. We will do ionization method, as we have done in the discovery of electron and discovery of proton. Ionization, then we will do penetration, penetration over here. Then we will having nuclear reaction. These all topics are in their properties. Nuclear reaction, not reaction. Okay. After that, we are having decaying of neutron. Decaying of neutron. After decaying of neutron, we will more decompose neutron over here. Okay, I should write over here decompose of neutron. So we will discuss all these things with the diagram. So let we understand first the electric field charge. In electric field, what happens in electric fields? This is a neutron, one neutron that we are having remaining. Okay, right over here. And here we are having magnetic field, positive electric field, positive and negative charge. When the thing having no charge, so it means it's neutron. Move straight, so it means no charge. So let's see, when one neutron remains that moves from here, so it moves just directly in a straight position, so it's not having charge. So in electric field properties, what happens that neutron have no charge. Okay, neutron have no charge. Secondly, we will find magnetic field mass. So here we were having neutron, and here we were having south pole and north pole. What happens that neutron came in the same position sharply, as previously we understood that proton also move in a north position sharply, it means it's having mass, and neutron also moves sharply. So the maximum, the proton and neutron both masses are equal. One mass is 1.67 and something, and second one is 1.678. So the both are related, so it means the neutron and proton having same masses, you can say that. Okay, so it's also moved down, so it means neutron have a no charge but having mass is called neutron. Now move to ionization method. In ionization, what happens that in ionization we are having neutron, here we are having proton and electron, positive and negative charge. It will not ionize because don't have charge. Neutron don't have charge, so what it will do, it will not ionize, it will just move like in the same position further. If it having charge, so electron will be in one side and proton will be one side, but it's not having any charge, so it will just move directly, it means it will not be ionized. After that, we will be understanding the penetration method, that what happens in penetration. Let's discuss the all discoveries. Here is the electron, its proton, and the third one we are discussing about is neutron. Okay, remember that electron, proton and neutron. Now here we are having penetration, something like here is we are having negative charge. Okay, what will happen over here, that when electron will penetrate from here, it just repel over here, because negative and negative charge both will do repulsion. In positive and negative, both will be considering in each other, means mix up, because the positive and negative having attraction, so it will go over there and it's penetrate over here. Okay, in third one, what happens, we are having neutron. So neutron having no charge, so what it will do, it will be directly pass from over here. So the penetration method in electron is repulsion, in proton is attraction, in neutron because of no charge it will pass out. Okay, let's move to next, nuclear reaction. So in nuclear reaction, what happens, that the more penetration, so it strike to nucleus and nuclear reaction happens. Like as I told you previously, we are having one thing that's penetrating over here, we are having nucleus over here. The means it strike to the nucleus. When it strike to the nucleus, in nucleus we are having neutron. this one neutron fight with this one neutron to attract, but it will not attract, it will do the nuclear reaction over here. So when nuclear reaction happens with a more penetration over there, when striking to the nucleus, is called nuclear reaction. Move to the decaying of neutron. In decaying of neutron means to the breakdown of the neutron. Decaying of the neutron happening in the living bodies. Okay, decaying happens in neutron because it's consisting of two charges, positive and negative. It consists of two components, and electron and proton just having one component, so it's not decaying. There are the two type of decaying. One is bacterial reaction. Body breakdown with bacteria is, or bacterial reaction is called decaying. And the decomposition is that if body break down with temperature, so it's called a decomposition or breakdown of something. Okay, after that, when neutron break down and produce energy, is called neutrino. When neutron break down, like I told you that decaying happens in neutron when it's break down and produce energy, so it's called neutrino. How? So let's move to the decomposition of neutron. In decomposition of neutron, we are having one electron having negative charge, one proton having positive charge, and this is we are having no mass and no charge. Okay, it's just having energy. Anything that is decomposed from neutron and just having energy is called neutrino. Now this is called electron, this is called proton, and this is called, neutrino. In neutrino, what's happened that likewise electron having charge, having mass, having energy. Proton having charge, having mass, and having energy. But in this one neutrino, no charge, no mass, but having energy. So this is called neutrino. As per energy, there are the two neutrons. Okay, two neutrons. One neutron is called the faster one. F represent, we can represent with F. F faster one, and S slower one. In faster one, what happens? It's having 1.2 electron volt, and in slow one we are having 1.0 electron volt. When this both will attract with each others, which one will do the have high hitting? So the high hitting will be happen in the slow neutron, because in the fast neutron it will move freely, means fastly, and it will just hit just you can say fight with that one, or just do reaction and then split it out. But in slow one, what happen, it will move slowly, slowly, and when it will do the reaction, it will also do reaction slowly, and we are having high hitting, high response. Okay, so this was a decomposition of neutron. Today we understood our many topics, that the discovery of neutron and the properties and decomposition of neutron. Hope you all understood. Thank you so much.